Word bars can be controlled with one or two switches. From the Options ribbon tab, select Accessibility and then click the Access Method tab. From the Input box, select either one or two switches. When using one switch, the scan moves automatically between items, and when using two switches, the second switch moves the scan. You can choose whether to include the grid tools in the scan here, and these buttons enable you to personalise all of the settings. These buttons include timings, scan type, so perhaps I'll highlight the background of a cell, enlarge the cell and change the colour, sound options and also switches. So I'm going to increase this to 2 seconds for auto repeat time. So the changes I've made are now active.